Dust allergies can make your own home feel uncomfortable, especially when tiny particles keep hiding in carpets, sofas, and corners. Welcome to my channel, where today we're exploring the top 6 best vacuum cleaners for dust allergies at home for cleaner air, easier breathing, and daily comfort. Check the links in the description. The number 6 product on our list is Simplicity Vacuum Cleaner. Allergy dust is cruel because the particles you cannot see often cause the most discomfort. Simplicity Vacuum Cleaner feels built for homes where cleaner floors also mean easier breathing. With a HEPA media filter set and HEPA vacuum bag, it helps trap fine dust, dander, and allergens instead of releasing them back into the room. The included Pet Hair Beware tool adds real value for families with cats or dogs, using a fur remover design that grips hair from furniture, rugs, carpets, clothing, and upholstery. Adjustable height makes it useful across hard floors, area rugs, and low-to-high pile carpets without switching machines. The pros are strong allergy-focused filtration, pet hair removal, telescopic wand, crevice tool, dusting brush, upholstery tool, and reliable corded power. The downside is that bags need replacement over time. Compared with Shark cordless models, Simplicity feels less flexible but more serious for allergy control and deep home cleaning. At number 5 is Shark IZ362H Vacuum Cleaner. Invisible allergens can make a clean-looking room still feel uncomfortable, and Shark IZ362H Vacuum Cleaner is designed to fight what your eyes miss. Its hypervelocity suction gives strong pickup in an ultra-lightweight body, while power fins keep constant contact with carpets and hard floors for deeper dust removal. For pet homes, the self-cleaning brush roll is a real relief because it grabs hair without the usual wrap frustration. The HEPA filtration and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal help trap dust, dander, and allergens, making it a smart pick for people who want cleaner air at home. You also get 40 minutes of cordless runtime, LED headlights for hidden debris, a low-profile design for under furniture, and a removable hand vacuum for stairs, upholstery, and corners. The pros are allergy-focused filtration, pet hair control, XL dust cup, clean touch emptying, and useful attachments. The downside is runtime may feel limited on bigger homes. Compared with Simplicity, Shark offers more cordless freedom. At number 4 is Kenmore Elite 31150 Vacuum Cleaner. Dust allergies can turn ordinary cleaning into a battle for easier breathing, and Kenmore Elite 31150 Vacuum Cleaner comes prepared for that fight. This bagged upright vacuum is built for homes with pets, carpets, hard floors, stairs, furniture, and high traffic rooms where dander settles deep. Its triple HEPA filter system traps 97% of debris, helping keep dust and allergy-triggering particles sealed inside instead of floating back into the air. The 3D inducer motor adds serious pulling power, giving stronger airflow, while the beltless agitator helps reduce maintenance worries. Pet Handymate is a standout for removing stubborn fur from upholstery, stairs, and car seats. The pros are powerful suction, allergy-focused filtration, wide cleaning path, extended 10-foot reach, aluminum wand, dusting brush, crevice tool, and bare floor tool. The downside is that it is heavier than cordless models. Compared with Shark IZ362H, Kenmore feels stronger for deep allergy cleaning and long sessions. The third one on our list is Bissell 2998 Vacuum Cleaner. Allergens do not care how clean your floor looks. They hide in fibers, corners, and pet hair. Bissell 2998 Vacuum Cleaner is made for homes that need stronger allergy protection without feeling difficult to use. Its HEPA-sealed allergen system traps 97% of dust and allergens, helping keep tiny particles from escaping back into your breathing space. The lift-off detachable pod adds freedom for stairs, upholstery, tight spots, and above floor cleaning, while the lightweight design and swivel steering make daily movement easier. Pet owners will appreciate the tangle-free brush roll because it reduces hair wrap and keeps cleaning smoother. The pros are sealed filtration, portable pod convenience, pet hair control, easier handling, and strong multi-surface cleaning. The downside is that it is still a corded upright, so range depends on outlet placement. Compared with Kenmore Elite 31150, Bissell 2998 feels lighter and more flexible for everyday allergy-focused cleaning. Buy it for fresher floors and calmer breathing. On number 2 is Shark IZ362 Vacuum Cleaner. Dust allergies can make home feel less peaceful even when everything looks spotless. Shark IZ362 Vacuum Cleaner tackles that invisible problem with Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology and a HEPA filter that trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum. Its lift-away pod gives you freedom to clean stairs, furniture, ceilings, corners, and baseboards without fighting a heavy full-size machine. On carpets, the suction feels strong enough for deeper debris, while brush roll shutoff lets you move gently onto bare floors without scattering dust. Pet owners get extra value from the wide upholstery tool, especially on sofas and fabric surfaces where hair clings stubbornly. The pros are sealed filtration, lightweight handling, swivel steering, detachable pod, crevice tool, pet hair pickup, and smooth floor transitions. The downside is that it is corded, so you still work around outlets. Compared with Bissell 2998, Shark IZ352 feels more classic, reliable, and easy to maneuver for allergy-focused homes. Now moving to the last one is Shark IZ360 Vacuum Cleaner. Allergy triggers do not always sit on the surface, they hide deep in carpets, upholstery, and dusty corners. Shark IZ360 Vacuum Cleaner gives homes a stronger defense with powerful multi-surface suction and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology paired with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside. Its lift-away pod makes stairs, furniture, under-furniture areas, and above-floor cleaning feel easier, while swivel steering helps you move around tight spaces without frustration. For pet owners, the upholstery tool is a real advantage because it pulls fur from fabric where ordinary passes often fail. Brush roll shutoff lets you switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor care, making it useful across mixed flooring. The pros are strong suction, sealed filtration, large 0.9 quart dust cup, washable filters, crevice tool, pet hair pickup, and flexible cleaning reach. The downside is corded movement. Compared with Shark IZ352, IZ360 offers more dust capacity for longer allergy-focused cleaning sessions. Among all the winner, Kenmore Elite 31150 Vacuum Cleaner is worth buying for deep suction, sturdy build, and dependable whole home cleaning. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best vacuum cleaners for dust allergies at home. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.